Hello and welcome to SolidCad. Today we are going to make this simple exercise here. This is 26 millimeter here, 39 plus 7 plus 7, and height is 26. 5 plus 21 is 26 millimeter. Height both are 26. So I will start from here, from this portion. So let's start. I will open a new file. Okay. On the right plane, I will draw a sketch. I will take a line from here, go up 5 millimeter, go down and join this. I will give them equal regulation because both are 26 millimeter. This is 5 millimeter. Okay, the sketch is fully defined. Now let's extrude it. Features, extruded base boss, mid plane, 39 plus 7 plus 7. This is the length of it, as you have seen it. Now let me see. There is a cutout of 11 millimeter wide and 5 millimeter deep here. Let's do it first. 11 millimeter. I will draw a line here. I will draw a rectangle, corner rectangle. Like so. I will give it a dimension, smart dimension, 11 millimeter, and this could be anything. This could be, I can make it like this, no problem. Sketch is fully defined. I will cut it. Features, cut extrude up to 5 millimeter, like so. Okay. Now I will draw on the top plane. I will draw a sketch. I will draw a rectangle like so. Like so. Let me check the, this is 7 millimeter wide. This wall I am going to make, and 16.7 millimeter high. So let's make it. This is a smart dimension, 7 millimeter. Okay, and let me extrude it. Feature, extruded base boss up to 16.7, like so. Now I will mirror it. Mirror across these both of these things. I will mirror. Okay. Now there is only left is the hole here. I will draw a sketch on this plane. I will take rectangle from here to somewhere here, and let me check the sizes. This is 17 by 17 and 7 from the bottom. Okay, so this means this and this are equal because both are 17. Let me define it. 17, and from bottom to here is 7 millimeter. Okay, now I will make this vertical. Sketch is fully defined. I will cut extrude it. Feature, cut extrude. I will give it that direction of extrusion from here. Direction of extrude. If I normal cut it, it will go the wrong way. It will go this way, you see, but I want to go that way, this on this line, as per this line. So I will select this line. Now it is going backward through all. Okay, now the part is complete. So this was a simple exercise. I will make another exercise for you today. This is the one, 80 by 60. I will draw first here and then I will extrude it up to 60 millimeter. Then I will go for I will draw all this all shape here, and then I will extrude it up to 60 millimeter. Okay, let's start a new file. New. Okay, on the front plane I will draw a sketch. I will draw a line from here to here, like so. I will go there, up, come down and join this. Let me check these sizes. This is 40 millimeter, these are 20 millimeter, 20 millimeter, so it will be for 80 millimeter. These both are equal. This line and this line are equal, and this is 52 millimeter, and height is 30 plus 15 is 45 millimeter total height. So let's do it. This is 20 millimeter, 40 millimeter, sorry, 40 millimeter. I will take it like this. Let me draw a center line first. I will draw a center line from here to up, and I will make these. I will make this and this symmetric. I will make this and this equal, and I will take this point, this line and this line, and make it symmetric like so. I will give it a 52 millimeter, which is it is, and this is 30 millimeter. And 15 millimeter. This is 15 millimeter actually from here. So let me define it. These two both are equal. This is 15 millimeter, like so, and this is total is 45 millimeter, like so. This is the drawing. Let me give it a dimension of 20 millimeter. So, and total dimension is 80 millimeter, which is default. Yes, okay, this is 80 millimeter, and this one is the depth of this, and this is, let me check, this is 20 millimeter, and this are collinear. Sketch is fully defined, nothing else to do. I will extrude it. I will extrude feature, extrude up to back side. I will extrude up to 60 millimeter. Mid plane 60 millimeter. I use mid plane often. It helps sometimes to not make any other further any planes or whatnot. I will now I will cut this thing here is 15 millimeter deep and 52 millimeter from here to here is, and this is 42 millimeter from here to here. 52 minus 62 is 18. 18 is means it is 9 and 9 here and 9 here is 18. Okay, I will draw a sketch on this plane, on this surface. I will draw rectangle like so. Draw a center line. Make sure it is vertical. Horizontal, sorry, is horizontal, is okay. Let me give it a dimension. smart dimension 9mm. Sketch is fully defined. I will mirror it across. I will select all this and mirror it. Mirror about this line. Okay, I will cut it. Features, extruded cut up to 15mm, like so. This is 15mm deep here. Okay, and let me check one thing, is it 42mm or not. Let me check this. So I will go to sketch. First I will check this. This must be 42mm. Yes, this is 42mm. Okay, now I will cut it. Feature, extruded cut 15mm. Okay, the part is going to make shape here. Now I will draw a sketch over here. This sketch 30mm wide and 10mm from the face here, and 28mm high. 30 by 28 I will make 28 by 30. I will make this and this vertical. I will give it a dimension from here is 30 and this is 28. Okay, now I will extrude it. Feature, extruded base boss up to next, and this direction 2 is 10mm, like so. This is done. All I have to do is to mirror it across. Mirror. The part is complete. There is yes, there is some there is a extrusion here on this of 30mm, I think 30mm extrusion and 30mm high. Let me draw a circle here. Circle 30mm and extrude it. Features, boss extrude 30mm. Okay, now the part is complete. So these are the two simple exercises for beginners. I hope you enjoyed it and like it and increase your SolidWorks exercises capability. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. I need your subscription. Thanks.